Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. My name is Jocelyn Morales Saraga. I live in Santiago City, Isabela, Philippines. I am 35 years old, married with 3 children, all boys. I have 4 siblings, 1 boy and 3 girls. I am a high school graduate.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I have experience in Hong Kong for 2 employers. My first employer is 2 elderly, 1 couple, and 1 child. My duties is household chores like cooking, cleaning, marketing, and tutoring the child. But for my main duties is taking care of the child. My second employer, 1 adult, 1,100 square meters, cleaning the house, cooking, preparing her food, and marketing.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
When the children is sick, I check the temperature and tell to my employer that the baby have a sick.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I describe myself as a hardworking person, honest, and responsible for my duties.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
Yes, sir. I have a surgery cesarean section for 6 years.
Okay, 6 years ago. Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
To provide my family needs, sir.
Okay. If you get hired, you will take care of your children.
My mother and my father and also my husband, sir.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I call my family and I focus to my work.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I sleep at 10 p.m. and I woke up at 6 a.m. sir.
Okay. Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
Be patient, sir, and calm and understanding also, sir.
Okay. Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
Yes, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir, as long as they need it.
Okay. Can you cook Chinese food?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir.
Sing it.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, I hope that you choose me, and I promise to you that I am responsible for my duties and to serve you as long as you need it.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.